Unlocking the power of circular economy, a game changer for enhancing operational excellence.
A circular economy is an economic model designed to minimize waste and make the most of resources. This system is built on three principles: reduce, reuse, and recycle. The circular economy approach contrasts with the traditional linear economy, which has a take-make-dispose model of production. In a circular economy, resources are kept in use for as long as possible, in a closed-loop manufacturing, extracting the maximum value from them while in use, then recovering and regenerating products and materials at the end of each service life. Therefore, this model not only reduces waste, but also promotes innovation and the sustainable use of resources. By designing products for durability, maintainability, and recyclability, companies can decrease their environmental impact and reduce costs associated with raw materials and waste management. Having said that, the circular economy model must be applied to different business sectors in specialized ways. Circular economy model must be customized for each organization, depending on the industry sector, product mix, geographies of operation and organizational processes. Remember, it is no one-size-fits-all principle. For example, a furniture manufacturing company might adopt a circular economy approach by designing modular furniture that can be easily repaired or reconfigured. They could also offer a service to take back old furniture, refurbish it, and sell it again. This not only extends the life cycle of the products, but also keeps materials within the economy, reducing the need to extract new raw materials. While a chemical company could implement a circular economy model by using waste products from one process as raw materials for another. This could involve converting byproducts from chemical reactions into inputs for different chemical products, thus minimizing waste and reducing the need for new raw materials. On the contrary, in the plastics industry, a circular economy approach might include designing products for easier recycling, establishing take-back schemes where used plastic products are returned, processed, and remade into new products. This not only reduces environmental impact, but also lowers costs associated with raw material procurement and waste disposal. A pharmaceutical company can adopt a circular model by repurposing leftover materials from drug production. For example, solvent recovery processes can be implemented to reclaim solvents used in manufacturing bulk drugs. These solvents can be purified and reused in further bulk drug manufacturing cycles, drastically reducing waste and the cost of new solvents. For machinery manufacturing, the circular economy could mean designing equipments that can be easily disassembled and refurbished. Parts that wear down can be replaced, and whole machines can be upgraded with newer technology, instead of being discarded. This approach extends the machinery's lifespan and reduces the need for new resources. So to summarize, by adopting the circular economy principles, your company can maximize resource efficiency, cut costs, reduce waste, and drive innovation. It also helps companies meet regulatory requirements and consumer demand for more sustainable products. Circular economy approach opens up new business opportunities and revenue streams, such as refurbishing and reselling, or leasing products instead of just selling them. In addition, as companies innovate to find ways to reuse materials, they can differentiate themselves in the market, attract environmentally conscious customers, strengthen their market position, and increase profitability.
Visit drshruti.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.